Go full speed here. $27 miles an hour. I see it. There we are. So this is the whole marina where my boat is. Spin around. I'll show you where we go out of. We have to pass all these boats. Nothing in here yet. Go a little higher. And there's the bay. And Fire Island is just over there. Well, on the other side that you really can't see. Looks nice over here. Never saw past the dunes. That's interesting. So this is how we come in this way here. Or when we go out. And then we go in this way. So this is where all the boats are stored. Mine was stored here too. And there we are again. $30 miles per hour, 31. Pretty nice. Nice speed. So this is the whole marina right about here. And it ends. Turn around, go back. Bring that down. Oh, you know what we should look at? Should look at that. I think it's a nest up here. I see there's a bird. Oh, there is. Wow. That's sick. Wow. pretty cool. Actually, I'll zoom in. I'll wave. Hello. That was awesome.